too. Well, my hair wet now because I literally live right on the water. But anyways, I want to get expert opinions of a 2010 Police Interceptor that was hit head-on. It was hit back in February. Guy ran a red light at a high rate of speed, around 50-ish, and yeah. Radiator is pushed in. This support right here is pushed in. Obviously, I'm not really big with terminology with the cars. I'm not really, but this is plate literally is being held by one bolt. The whole header panel is gone. It pushed up, so I can't even open the hood right now. This whole fucking support is gone. It's pushed in, I should say. You have my push bar. My push bar was completely. This whole thing was ripped off and stuck on the guy's front end. My support frame, my frame support was right here. Front support, I guess you want to call it. It's connected and it's ripped. You can see right here. That's where it would be. It's ripped off, completely off. And that's what the push bar looks like. Horns are definitely ruined. I guess wires. Fender. This is the fender. I actually pushed it back. Wow. Fender is pushed in. Actually, because near the water, it's fucking rusted really bad. But yeah, I can barely open the door, but I pushed up into it. Now, my thing is, obviously this all pushed in. This definitely is out of line, but I don't think it did anything wrong. But some car runs. These are definitely Ford built tough. But I'm not sure if this is fixable. This is what I'm asking. I'm trying to see if this car is actually even worth fixing. I can get a whole donor car, so the parts and everything, I'll take off a car. But I'm guessing this whole piece is gonna have to be ripped. Whole new one. I know you can unbolt it right there. New radio, obviously, support. This stuff is all pushed in with a frame support, I guess front frame support you call it. This is, I don't even know what the fuck that is. But yeah. Obviously headlight down there too. Well, fender's going, hood going, and then I gotta look more into it, but I figured wiring's probably kind of fucked. But I figured I ask you guys who actually do cars, rebuild and everything. I think it's worth it. I can literally get a 07 right now for like 600. And I can take all the parts off, but I've seen people rebuild even worse, I guess I would say. Well, one side was crushed more than the other, but this is actually pushed in the whole frame, so rail. I'm not sure with the frame, but yeah, that's where I'm at right now. If you guys have any suggestions, from what you can see, if you could let me know. Or any extra like pictures, videos you need of some of the parts, maybe angles, maybe to see if it's worth fixing. But, or it'd be an easy job, or is it not fixable? I'd hate to really have this car, junked. Engine, everything still runs. So I still got to see if anything, like the radiator is obviously pushed in. Car starts, but I'm not sure if it actually damaged anything near the engine or that area of the bay. But yeah, let me know, guys. I appreciate it.